Okay, so in this video, I'm going to talk you through how to do a ankle isometric, okay? And we're looking to try and replicate the positions that we hit in sprinting, and we're trying to maximize our isometric strength in those positions to really carry over to sprinting. So I'm going to show you two different setups that you can use to get the same effect. First one is going to be used on a Smith machine, and what you can do with a Smith machine if you have one is turn the hooks upside down so it hooks underneath, and that way you can push maximally into the bar without it moving. Okay, and that's essentially what we're trying to do here. So what I've done is I've found the perfect height for me, and what we need to do is either get a step that you can stand on, and you can see that there, okay, and the position that I want you to hit is this, okay? So you have got your shoulder above your hip, and your hip is above your foot, okay? So we are basically a straight line all the way down. So in this position, what I want you to think about is locking out that leg, okay? So that needs to be fully straight, glutes are engaged, rib cage is down, we're hitting nice positions, okay? And what you're trying to do is calf raise, okay, as hard as possible into the bar. So the only thing that is trying to move, and the only thing that we're giving our body ability to do is to push and calf raise into that bar. Okay, so we're going to be loading up this complex around here. All right, and alongside that, what I want you to do is hit some nice positions, the same as you would do with your sprinting. So knee up nice and high, toes up nice and high, and dorsiflex, getting ready for that next step if you were going to be sprinting. Okay, the second setup you can use, if you don't have a Smith machine, is in a squat rack, okay? And what you need to do is set up your J hooks at a height which is very similar to the Smith machine, and you're going to push into them as hard as possible, same kind of thing, okay? So I didn't need the plate this time to get that perfect height, so that's okay, but you will see that my heel lifts off the ground slightly, and that is good. What we want is for roughly a 5-degree of plantar flexion, okay? So we're just above neutral. So if I just play that through, I push for a few seconds and then I relax off, and you can see that little bit of a calf raise going on. That knee is locked, glutes are engaged, rib cage is down, okay? If for whatever reason the squat rack that you're using, you can't get this kind of setup, then what you can do is get the bar on top of the J hooks as normal, okay? And then you'll just need to load up the bar with something really, really heavy, you know? So it's going to take a lot of weight on there. We just need something that's going to allow you essentially not to move, okay? And that is the ankle isometrics.